Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add dark mode shortcut to the control center. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find Control Center, and then at More Controls section you have to find Dark Mode shortcut. Here it is. And then in order to add it to the Control Center, just hit at that plus sign next to shortcut name that moves this shortcut to included controls section, which means that this shortcut is already at the control center. You can swipe down from the top right corner, and right here you can find the dark mode shortcut. You can just tap on that to turn dark mode on and off from the control center. Also, from here you can change the order of these shortcuts. You can just drag it up or down. You can place it at any position. I'm gonna place it at the very first, and that means that this shortcut has just been moved to the very first position at the control center. Also, from here you can easily remove any shortcut by hitting at that minus sign and then hitting Add Remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.